Hello, this is Feed the Master in Korea again. Uh, right now I'm at my friend's house in Glasgow in Scotland, but with modern technology that doesn't stop us from training and using SEC. And we're gonna play against Trainingbot again. And last time I showed you how to do that. I'm gonna open the seek graph and push the dot. And we get a problem. It's made in 5. Made in 5. Let's see. Okay, immediately when you see a position like this, you start to analyze moves like this, knight f7. But I can't see it working as a mate in 5. Okay, whoa, yeah, I see it now. Queen g8, really nice. If he had captured with a rook, we play knight f7 mate. But in this case we play knight e7. He has to move, knight f7, and rook takes c8. That's checkmate. Okay, on to the next one. White mates in 3. Well, this is a kind of a diversion. We see that our rook here on e8. If it could capture an f8, it would be made if the rook here on c8 wasn't in its way. So we play queen c4. And you see we're threatening mate on g8. And if the rook takes, we take on f8. And after this desperate move is just made. Okay, let's play one more of a mating problem. White mates in 3. I think I'd take here, bishop takes, bishop g7, king h5, and g4 is mate. Okay, you probably noticed that all the positions in session 1 and so far have been mating problems. And if you don't like that, you can type tell training bots category tactics, and you see it automatically responds. Okay, I'll choose problems from category tactics, and now when we play it again, like rematch, it's no longer mating problems. You'll see here in the bottom it says white wins, so it's just basic tactics. And this one we win a rook. Notice here that the queen is only guarded by the rook. He couldn't take here, we take the queen. And now I exchange queens and win the rook here. Next one. This is what wins. And there's another feature. If you're having problems with the positions, you can either type say and skip, and you will just move on to the next one. Or if you can't find the solution, you can just go say give, and it'll give you the solution here. Try rook g7 check. And if you're you can do this. You saw there knight f8 threatening the rook. And if he takes like here, it's checkmate. Otherwise he loses the exchange. Okay, and again white wins. We of course check, and then take the rook with the check. And we take a pawn with a jack, and we win. Well, this is quite funny because after d5, bishop has to move. You cannot protect g7. This is funny. Pieces stand really badly. And I think the tactic positions are more practical and fun than just the mating positions, but you should do both. Here's another feature: some positions have hints. You can say hint. Let's try that. Forced mate, not knight takes c6. Well, this seems like a forced mate to me. What wins? Well, what about queen a4 jack? If he takes, knight c7 is mate. There's one more thing I'd like to show you this time. You'll notice when I started this position, we got this text right here, and it says problem number 248, tactics, and 3 stars. You can choose how difficult the positions are. Right now I have minimum difficulty 3, which is a little low perhaps, but you can tell Trainingbot, see what I'm typing here, difficulty, and okay, let's try something difficult like 6. I think it's 8 is max. If you go 6, you will see I will go to the bottom. Okay, I'll choose problems with a minimum 6 stars. Let's see what happens now. White wins. Well, this is a classical position. Steinitz played here rook f7, didn't he? Queen takes, then rook takes c8, and now he played rook g7. If king takes, then queen takes d7 jack. Now he took on h7, I'm pretty sure. And did he play this move? No. And we jack, and we jack, and we jack. And we jack, and we jack, and we jack, and we jack, and we mate on f8. Yeah, okay, I had one slip up there, but you see it's much more difficult than before.